my name is Amanda. I am a first year at Columbia College. I'm going to study neuroscience and behavior, and I'm on the pre-med track. We are in my room in Hartley, which is in the living learning community, which means that I, as a freshman, live with sophomores, juniors, and seniors. Basically, we share bathrooms and we share a lounge and a kitchen. There's an A suite, a B suite, and a C suite. I'm in the B suite, so we have a little bit of a smaller lounge. And the bathrooms are all co-ed because it's guys and girls living together in the suite. But don't worry, don't be afraid. We have, closed off toilet stalls and closed off showers, so it's not a big deal to share with other genders. Okay, so now I'm going to show you around my desk, which Columbia provided. So basically what I do, I just do my makeup here every morning because we get pretty good light, but I do have a lamp, which I would suggest getting just because at night it can be pretty dark. So I do my homework here if I have to stay up really late. Yeah, so basically on my shelves I just have like my little knickknacks to give me a little sense of home, and then I have all my Lit Hum books, which when you're a first year here you have to take literature humanities, so you'll be reading all of these. So we'll move on to my closet, which is like the best part of the room. They give you a lot of storage space, which is good because I have like my winter clothes and my summer clothes here. So I have a lot of coats, a lot of storage. I have my shoes on the bottom, and I have a little like rack. And then I have a bunch of storage on top where I keep like my scarves, my hats, that kind of stuff. And then I also have drawers which have all my clothes in it. They're kind of so full that if I open one, all of them open, but that's a personal problem. I have like my toiletries here, and then my bed. And I have like a mattress cover. I definitely suggest that. It just makes things more comfortable. And again, I like personalized it with all of my pictures, and then I have a lot of storage under the bed, which is really convenient. My laundry baskets, my dirty clothes, and then I really highly suggest getting one of these cubes because, as you can tell, the bed is lofted pretty high, and you kind of have to like pole vault to get up there if you don't have one of these like stepping cubes, so I definitely suggest it. Overall, come live in Hartley. It's really great. I love my room. I love living with upperclassmen. They're cool mentors. You get to meet a lot of people. And come to Columbia. Columbia's a great school. Hartley's awesome. Jack Kerouac and Langston Hughes lived in this dorm, so hopefully one day my name will be in a plaque here.